Yo, what's up? It's a bit bright. It's a bit super duper mega hazy out there, but I think I might start doing like some little daily upload content stuff. Just what I'm doing, walking around the shop, staring at stuff, walking around in circles. I'm good at that. So today I am working on this thing, Maserati Indy, 1973. It's actually in the middle of getting a full resto, so as you can tell, it's got some super nice paint on it. And it's been done very well. So I'm at the moment back inside here. So this is my brand new body loom that I've made up for it. If we come over here, past the Rocket Bunny RX-7. Got some fire. Only 335s. Yeah! So, you see in top, this is the original harness that was in the Maserati. So obviously I am in the process of going through and replacing everything. So this still has, look, old school style relays and everything in it. So I've been through and basically pinned out this entire harness without falling over. It was definitely a bit how you're going. The harness that's there, that's actually got a few breaks through the loom and stuff like that. So better than, stuffing around with it. It was easy enough just to literally start from scratch and just make a whole fresh loom. I mean, there's a lot of time involved, but when you're talking about, a car like this getting a full ground up resto, this one here is actually an Australian delivered one. So it's a right-hand drive. Some more of my looms that I've been doing. And being the fact that it's actually a right-hand drive means it's actually pretty rare. So that being the case, it's probably a 300 grand Aussie car once it's finished and ready to go. So again, I mean, doing a whole fresh loom on it sort of makes sense. Being the fact that guys spending a fair bit of money getting this thing restoed, it's one of those things. So that's where I'm at. That's what I'm doing. Quick little daily upload, and we'll get back to it. Bye.